Let's learn how to find road elevation. And how to find road slope. Here we have two examples. First we will find road elevation. Then we will find road slope. Let's start with first one. Here we have an elevation 35.24. The width or length of road is 7 meter, and the slope is 0.35%. Let's find this elevation as the road slope is right side. The formula is slope into distance minus first level. Slope is given here. Length also given here. And this is the first level. As the slope is 0.35%, we need to type 0.0035 while calculation. Let's open calculator. 0.0035 multiply by 7 meters, which is our distance. Minus 35.24. Here's the level. Let's update here. Let's learn how to find slope. The distance between two stations is 20 meters. Now we need to find the slope between these two stations. The formula is level 1 minus level 2 divided by length, which is 20 meters. Open calculator. 35.24 minus 35.18. Divided by length. Now we need to multiply by 100 as per standard. So the slope is 0.3%. Let's update here. Let's cross-verify the slope by finding second level. 0.003 into 20 meters. Minus first level. We can see the level is 35.18. This is how we can calculate levels and slopes.